I can see the energy. Awesome. Where we have stopped our discussion? Arrays we have started, right? Great. So let me continue with the same concept, that is arrays. What is that, sir? Let me give one problem statement. Let me give one question now. What is that? Create an array to store ages. Please watch it. To store ages of 5 students. So this is my question. So create an array to store ages of 5 students. Not only this, write the program for the same. Great. So this is my question. Now question arises. How to create an array to store the ages of 5 students? That is what we have to do now. How is that, sir, if you ask me? I have to create an array, my dear students. How to create an array? What is the syntax to create an array? You should tell me, because already I have taught you this. How will create an array? What are arrays in Java? Arrays are objects. Who will create objects in Java? JRE? JVM. So I should invoke JVM. How? New. Awesome. What you are storing? Ages. Ages means what? Integers. Awesome. Next what? How many student ages you are storing? 5 means I need 5 locations. I'll open this bracket, close this bracket. I should tell there 5 and put a semicolon. So for this, I have to give the reference. The reference is ARR, and ARR is referring to an array of integers. This is how you should do. When you do this, 100% inside a memory, there will be a creating of a brand new object like this. Sir, when it will create, sir? Whenever it will look at this assignment, it will go to the right side. New, when it sees, it will create this object. After that, you should go and tell that, okay, you're storing an integer, fine. You should proceed further. And you can notice there is 5. What is the meaning of this? This entire object, you should split it into 5. How is that, sir? This is how I will do it. Now, this is first location, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All of these locations have the numbers, and all of these numbers are technically known as what? Indexes. To start with, all of these locations will be having some values. What values? 0. Awesome. So for this entire array, you have a reference. What is the reference? ARR, like this. Awesome, sir. Next what? Next what means this is a first student, second, third, fourth, fifth. I have to enter the age of the student now. Question arises, how you will do it? Watch it. After creating an array, I will come here. Very good. What you will do here, sir? Think and tell me. First student means I should reach this 0. If I have to reach this 0, you have to reach an array. If I have to reach an array, you have to take the help of ARR. And that is what I will do. How? I will tell there ARR. When you tell ARR, immediately you will come here. Very good. Now, I want this location. How I will get this location? So you should tell ARR of 0. Like this you should tell. Equal to, I have to store the age. What is the age? 21. Like this I will tell. Sir, how to read this, sir, if you ask me? Watch it. ARR. ARR is here. You should reach here. Of 0. Of 0 means there is 0. To this 0, you are putting an age. What is that age? 21. So at this point of time, it is having 0. And this 0 is removed. It is gone. And now some data will come and sit here. What is the data? 21. Awesome. Next what, sir? I have to do the same thing for the second student also. Second student means he is the 1. 1 if I have to reach, how you will go there? So first you should reach this array. For that you should use him. ARR, I will tell first. How you will do? Buckle up and watch it. I will tell ARR. ARR means you will reach here. So in this array there is 1. So to this 1 I have to insert the age there. How is that? ARR of 1 equal to, what is this? 22. Means now whatever you have inside this 1, it is gone. And what you have inside this now? 22. Next what, sir? The same thing I have to do it for the next student also. ARR of 2 equal to 23. When you do it, this 0 is gone, 23 will come and sit. The same way I have to do it for fourth student. Fourth student means ARR of 3, I have to insert the data, that is 24. This is gone, 24 will definitely come and sit. After which ARR of what, sir? 4 equal to, maybe I will give it as 25. So this 0 is gone and 100% 25 is coming and sitting here. And this is how I created an array and stored the ages of all these 5 students. Got this, my dear students? Outstanding. Whatever I have done now, I have to put it in the form of a program. Because this question tells that it is not only creating the array to store the ages, you have to write the program for the same also. How you will do it, sir, if you ask me? For that, I need Eclipse. Let me get it. Awesome. Great. So all of these, I will eliminate it at this point of time. Not required. Great. So main method is there. Inside this main method, I will start coding. Because your execution will start from main method, right? Very good. Now, I have to create an array. How to create an array if you ask me? Very simple. How you will do it, sir? I will tell new. You are going to store an integer there in this fashion. You have to open the square bracket. How many locations you want, you should tell it there. Very good. So for this, I have to give a reference. What is the reference? ARR. And it is referring to an array of integers. In this fashion you should tell. See, absolutely it is working fine. Now very good. When you do this, my dear students, this is how it is going to look like. This is how it is going to look like. Means all of these I will eliminate. So when you create an array, this is how it is going to look like. But initially, what you have inside an array? 0. So that you should visualize. Very good. Now after creating an array, I have to store the ages. This is an array. After creating an array, I have to store the ages. How you will do it, sir? I will tell ARR of, what is that? 0 equal to, what is that? 21. See, it is working absolutely fantastic. Next what, sir? Next student, ARR of 1 equal to 22. Very good. ARR of 2 equal to what, sir, if you ask me? Equal to what? 23. Very good. The same thing I should do it for the next student also. ARR of 3 equal to 24. Outstanding. ARR of 4 equal to, I have to give something there. What is that, sir? 25. When you do that, all of the ages, you have stored it inside an array now. Great. You have stored it. But what is the proof that all of these ages you have stored inside an array? What is the proof? Proof I should get you right. Yes. Question arises. How you will give you the proof, sir? How you will give us the proof? How is that? Now, I have to print all of these values now. Then only I can give you the proof. Okay, sir. How you will print all of these values? Watch it. Now, I will come here And now, what I will do, I have to see what is there inside the first student. He is the first student, right? I want to see what is there inside him. If I have to see what is inside him, then I have to access this location, right? How will I access, sir? How can I access this location? ARR, reach here, of 0. That is how you should tell. How you will tell programmatically? ARR of 0, like this. But I want to see what is there inside it. What you should do? You have to display it. How you will display? Put it inside the print statement. As simple as that. Really, sir, this entire thing, I will simply cut it and put it inside system.out.println. Very good. Next word, sir, I want to see what is there inside this student. If I have to get this student, he is 1. This 1 is there for this ARR. So what I will do, I will tell it as ARR of 1. I want to see what is there inside it. For that, you have to print it. So this entire thing, I will cut it and put it inside system.out.println in this fashion. Outstanding. Next word. The same thing, I have to do it for all these students. How you will do it, sir, if you ask me, I will tell system.out.println ARR of 2. I will tell. Awesome. I will tell system.out.println ARR of, what is this, sir? 3. Very good. After that, system.out.println ARR of what, sir? 4, like this. Understanding this? Awesome. Now, I will save it. If in case I execute it, you can notice there, errors are there. Where is the error? No error. Maybe in the project I am having the error. Just a minute. Awesome. Now you will not get any messages like that. If in case I save it and execute it, you can notice there, all of this ages, what you have stored it inside an array, you are getting that data. Sensing this much. Awesome. So this is how you should use an array in the next coming days. Awesome. Next what, sir, if you ask me. See, if you notice here, this 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, what are these? Integers. These are ages. Who is giving these ages? Programmer is giving. Yes or no? Think and tell me. You have Facebook, right? Instagram, LinkedIn. All of this, like, comment, watching the videos, scrolling, who will do? Is it you or Mark Zuckerberg? It is you. That is the user. Yes or no? Means whatever the application you are creating, this application you should give it to the world. And world should give input to this application. That is how it should be. But what you are doing in this application is, you have created it, and whatever the input you are giving, you are only giving the input. That should not happen. Then what you want, sir? What I want is, the user should enter this 21 from the keyboard. 22, user should enter. 23, user should enter. Programmer should not put directly inside that way. He should not put. Question arises, sir, how to take an input from the user, sir? How to do it? See, till now, whatever the data you have given, is it you have given directly in the program, or have you taken it from the user? You have only directly came here and given the data directly. It is not an efficient way of programming. Instead, all of this data, you should take it from the user, my dear students. Got this? Fantastic. Now question arises, how to take all of this 21, 22 in case, all of these ages from the user. How can you do it? And that is what I'm trying to teach you. Buckle up and watch it. Great. Now, see, I told you a long way back that there is one screen, and to the screen there is something attached. What is that attached, sir? Very good. Now, there is one pipe, and the name of the pipe is system dot out. Very good. So this pipe is always there and it is connected. If you want to display something on the screen, you should always use this pipe and put all the data. Like this, there is another person. Who is that, sir, if you ask me? There is another person and his name is this. Who is he, sir? You'll get to know just a minute. Who is he? 100% he is a keyboard. And to this keyboard, there is another pipe attached by James Gosling. One pipe is attached. I haven't attached. Who attached it? James Gosling. And the name of this pipe he has given is system dot in. That is the name of the pipe. Question arises. Sir, what is this pipe, sir? Think and tell me, what is his name? System dot out. Who is he? Out means if you want to display, you should use him. Out. If you want to take the input, whom you should use? You should use in. Who is in? That is system dot in. You should use to take the input from the user. Question arises. Correct. Awesome. So if you watch it, you have one pipe. Pin drop silence, please. There's one pipe. The name of the pipe is system.in. If you want to take the input, from where you will take the input? From the user. User should enter, right? Where he will enter? From the keyboard. Whenever he enters the data or the input from the keyboard, what you should do is, you should take that input through this pipe only. Through this pipe, all that input, it will come and it will come to my program. That is what you should do. Question arises, how you are going to do it programmatically, sir? Watch it. This is not the end of the story. Then what you are trying to teach us, sir? Watch it. Now this fellow, not required. I want only the keyboard. So first, let me get that keyboard now. This is my keyboard. Awesome. So to this keyboard, there are many keys are there, as you know. Awesome. So to this keyboard, there is something attached. What is attached, sir? One pipe, and the name of the pipe is what? System.in. This is already ready. It is ready. Next, what, sir, if you ask me? This is not the end of the story. What James Gosling told is, if in case if you want to take the input, this fellow is required. With him, his friend is also required. Who is his friend, sir? Watch it. The name of the friend is Scanner. Who is he? Scanner. Who is scanner, sir? He is a class. Who is he? He is a class. Sir, inside this class, what I'm having, sir? Inside this class, you have so much of stuff. Sir, have I created, sir? You, as a programmer, haven't created it. Then who created it, sir? This is created by none other than this guy. Who is he? 100% yes, he is James Gosling. James Gosling has created the scanner class and he kept it in my computer. Now question arises, sir, scanner, what should I call then? He is a class, but he should be called as an inbuilt class. Why inbuilt class? Because you haven't created it. Instead, someone has created and kept it for you. It is inbuilt, which is already present. Now you'll ask me, sir, in Java, it is not only we, even someone has created many classes and kept, sir. Yes. You can create a dog class. You can create table class. You can create TV class. Like this, James Gosling has created many classes and he has inserted inside Java. It is already there. Now question arises, sir, how many classes he has coded, sir? Very simple. There are around 5,000 inbuilt classes are there. How many? 5,000 approximately inbuilt classes are there in Java. You haven't coded it. James Gosling has created and kept it for you. Now you will ask me, sir, you are telling scanner is inbuilt, which is already present. I want to see it, sir. Where it is present in? Because you are only telling, right? It is inbuilt. Buckle up and watch it. Let me get my Eclipse now. This is my Eclipse. Next what, sir? I will go here. And now I have to see the scanner. Where is the scanner present in? I will go inside this main method. I want to see how the scanner is looking like. How you will tell it, sir? I will tell scanner in this fashion, because that is what I have to see. Very good. Next, what you should do, sir, if you ask me, what's this? This is very important. I'll take my finger and hold on this control like this. I hold it. After this, you should take this cursor and hold on this scanner this way. When you do that, it is turning into red. Why it is turning into red, I will show it to you by just taking this here. This scanner is there. Now what I will do, I will hold on the scanner. Again I repeat, this is my finger. I'm holding on the control. It is there on the control. I'm taking this cursor and hovering on this. When you hover on this, it is giving me so many options. There is one option, that is the second option. What is the second option? Open scanner, java.util. You click on it, what you get is scanner. And this scanner, who is he, sir? Have I created it? Have I created it? No, someone has created and kept it. Now some students will start asking me, sir, what is this, sir? Public, final, what is this, sir? Implements, and what are all of these, sir? See, you guys are babies in coding. Just now you are learning arrays, and you want me to teach all of this now. Have patience. All of these words you will get to know day by day. But at this point of time, what you should understand is, he is a class which you haven't created it. James Gosling has created it and kept it for you. Awesome. Next what, sir? Now, let me show you what code is written. All of this is the code which is written. So I will scroll it and let me see how many lines are there inside this class. I'm scrolling. Very good. Your scroller is yet to be here. It's not yet half. Watch it. So I will come down. All of these lines, Mr. James Gosling has written it and kept it for you. That is what, sir? How many lines? Wait, no, I will show it to you. Great. These many lines are there. How many lines? 3051 lines are there. Now, some students will be thinking, oh my God, these many lines. Let me tell you, each one of you at the end of this course, forget about 3,000, 5,000 minimum lines, each one of you will write it. And there is a term and condition. What is that? If you are revising, you will write it. Simply coming, listening here, you will not write it. Anyhow, so I wanted to show you that scanner is an inbuilt class. I've just shown you. Let me take this to my computer and let me get my iPad now. Awesome. Watch it. So now, the scanner is there, which is an inbuilt, and you have to use him. Question arises, how to use the scanner? How to use the scanner? First of all, tell me, who is scanner? He is a class. What is the second principle of object orientation? Class is imaginary. What is real? Object is real. What you have is just a class created by James Gosling. If you want to use him, you have to create an object of it. Then only you can use him. Sir, James Gosling, is he not created the object? Come here. Everything he will only do. Absolutely no. He has created some stuff. If you want to use them, you have to create the object and then you should use. Okay, sir, how to create the object of the scanner? Because I want to use him. Because I should use this fellow with his best friend. So then only I can take the input from the user, right? Now question arises, how to create the object of the scanner? Watch it. You should create the object. Who will create object in Java? JVM. So now I will invoke JVM. How is that? You should tell new. Whose object you are creating? Scanner. Very good. So scanner object you should create, and for this object what you should give? Reference you should give. What you want you can give there. I am giving the name as scan, and this scan is a reference for one object. Which object? Scanner. In this fashion you should do it. When you do it, immediately one object is getting created, and that object, let me represent it in this fashion. This is my object. This is my object, and this object I will take it now. I will take it, and what you should do is you should connect with the system.in. What you should do? Whatever the object you have created, to whom you should connect? You should connect to a system.in. That is what you should do. Question arises, okay sir, I will do it, but programmatically how should I do it, sir? Watch it. Which object is this? Scanner. Look here, new scanner, object is ready. To this object, what you should connect? This pipe. What is that pipe? System.in, and that I will do it within these brackets. How is that, sir? Watch it. Now, this I will remove, and to the scanner object I will connect that system.in pipe, and that I will tell it in this fashion, system.in, like this. Means what you have done is, you have created a scanner object. See here, scanner object you have created, and this scanner object you have connected to one pipe. Which pipe? System.in. See here, this is the object, and to this object what you have connected? System.in. Means whenever in Java, if you want to take the input from the user, this line compulsorily you should tell. And how this line is working internally, that is what I have shown you there. Understanding this much? Outstanding. Next what, sir? This is what I should do in my program also now. How you will do it in the program, sir? Watch it. Let me write one program for you now. How is that? I will create one class. The name of the class is launch. Inside this, I will create my main method, public, static, void main, string, array of args. Inside this main method, I have to code something. What you want to code, sir? This is my expectation. What is that expectation? This is my monitor screen. Very good. On my monitor screen, I should get one message. What message is that, sir? Enter the number. That is what I want. Why you want this, sir? See, simply one blank screen if it is coming, what a user should do. Say for example, you have an Instagram. In the Instagram, if you look, you have a comment section there. Think that Mark Zuckerberg has coded the Instagram application wherein there is a post. Under that post, simply space is there. Where you will comment, where you will like, what you will do. That is why you have to code it in a proper way. Simply blank space you should not give. Instead, what you should tell? Hey user, you please enter the number. And the same thing, I should do it in my program also now. How you will do it, sir? Watch it. What I want now? Enter the number. I want it on my screen. That is why in my program, I will print something. System.out.println. What is that? Enter the number. Very good. Enter the number. Very good. When that executes, this is what I will get. Enter the number means I should take my keyboard now, and using this keyboard, I have to enter the data now. How you will enter the data, sir? One number it is asking me to enter. One number I will enter there like 20. If I hit enter, that 20 should be taken inside my program now. How is that, sir? If you ask me, buckle up and watch it. Now, enter the number means, as a user, I will enter it as a 20, like this. If I hit enter, what my program should do? What my program should do? Program should take 20 and put it inside my program. That is what I have to do. Question arises, 20, where you are typing it in? Keyboard. Means from the keyboard, you should take it, right? So for that, what you should do? What you should do? Very good. So you guys already know that there is one very important line, one facility you have. What is that facility, sir? Scanner facility you have. That scanner, you should use it. Very good. So scanner is a class. If you want to use him, what you should do? You should create an object. Let me do it. One scanner object you have created. And this scanner object, to whom you should connect? System.in. Let me do it for you. System.in, I will connect it like this. But if you have to use this object, you should use a reference, right? So for him, I will give the reference as scan. And what type it is, you should tell. What type it is? Scanner. Like this I'm telling. Understanding this. So now, my setup is ready to take the input now. It is ready. Sir, how you will scan this 20, sir, if you ask me? You have to use scanner. If you have to use the scanner, you have to use the reference, right? Yes or no? What is the reference? Scan. Very good. Now, what I will do? Under this line, I will tell it as scan. Like this. After that, you should tell dot. What you should tell? Dot. Because whenever you are accessing the object, what you used? You are accessing the start. How you did it? Start method of a car. What is car, sir? What is start method? What you are speaking? Long way back, we have created a car object. Yes or no? Inside that there was a start, there was an accelerate, there was a stop. If you are revising, you will get it. Or else it will be rocket science for you. Start if I have to access, how you did it? C dot start. Yes or no? If I have to access the object, dot is very much important, right? And that is what I am telling. Okay, sir. Dot. Next, what you will tell? Think and tell me. What is 20? It is an integer. Whenever you are scanning an integer, you should tell scan dot next int. Like this you should tell. What you should tell? Whenever you are scanning an integer, you should tell scan dot next int. Whenever you are scanning a float, scan dot next float. Whenever you are scanning a double, next double. Boolean, next boolean. Like that it is. Very good. Now, this 20 is scanned. Scanned by whom? This fellow. He will take it. He will take it. He will take it. And I want to store it somewhere. Yes or no? Let me store it now. How you will store it, sir? In this fashion. Whatever the data I am getting, I will store it inside one variable. Which variable? A. Now, inside A, what I am having? Inside A, 20 I am having. What is 20? It is an integer. That you should tell it as integer there. Always remember, my dear students, Java is known as strongly typed. What is the type of these variables? Compulsorily you should tell. If you are not telling it, everywhere red lines you will get. Got this, my dear students? Very good. 20, you took it and stored it inside your program. Next, this is what I want on my screen now. What is that, sir? Enter the number again. I will tell. This is what I want on my monitor screen. This is what I want to print. For that, what you should do? This is what I want. If I want this, you have to print this statement, right? How you will do? I'll go to my program, and there I will tell it as system.out.println. I will tell it as enter. Enter what, sir? The number. The number what, sir? Again. Like this. Within double quotes, you should put it and put a semicolon there. When this line is executing, this is what I will get it. Now, looking at this line, you will enter one data now. With the help of what, sir? With the help of a keyboard, I will enter the data now. What data you will enter, sir, here? Maybe I will enter the data as 10, like this. What is that? 10. How I am entering this 10? 1, 0. With the help of what? Keyboard. So now whatever 10 is there, my program should take it. Yes or no? Question arises, how it should take? It should take with the help of scanner. What you will do? You will create a scanner object once again. Huh? Absolutely no. Once you create an object, that's it. You have to use it. Say for example, see, you guys are having your houses. Yes or no? Think that all of you belong to Bangalore. You built one house. Yes or no? So you wake up from this house, you'll come out, you will work, you will go back. Tomorrow, you will demolish the house, again you will build one new house. Absolutely no, right? Once you have built a house, that's it. You will start using that house for years together. Yes or no? In the same way, once you create a scanner, sufficient. Scanner is ready. If scanner is ready, how many times you want, you can take the input from the user. One time, create the scanner and use him multiple times. Got this? Very good. So now, scanner object again you should not create. Then what should I do, sir, if you ask me? What I should do? Whatever 10 I have entered, this 10 I should scan it now directly because scanner is already ready. Sir, how you will take it, sir, if you ask me? Very simple. What I will do? I will take this scan dot. What is 10? Integer. Integer means what you should use? Very good. You should use their next int. You have to close these brackets. Awesome. Now this 10 will be scanned by him and now I have to store it in my program. How you will do it, sir? I will tell in this fashion. I will tell equal to, I will store it inside a variable b. What I'm having inside b? It is 10. 10 is an integer, and that I have to tell it here. Very good. Next what, sir? Now, on my output screen, I want to get output as 30. What I should get? I should get 30 as the output. Means I have to display 30 now. Students will be like, sir, what a big deal is there in this, sir? Very simple it is. System.out.println 30, like this. You should not do that. Then if you are doing this, then why the hell you have taken these two values? What is the use of them? Okay, sir, what should I do? Tell me, what's this? What you should do is, whatever 20 and 10 the user has entered, you should add both of those values. Question arises, how to add? Where is this 20 present in A? Where is the 10 present in B? You have to add both of them. How to add it? Watch it. Now, I will come here and I will take that 20. 20 is present inside A. I will take that 10. 10 is present inside B. I will add both of them. Whatever the result I will get, I will store it inside a variable C. What C is having? 30, which is an integer, that I should tell. Now what is there inside C? I want to see it. So for that you have to print it. How you will print? System.out.println of C. So when you do that, 30 will get displayed. Very good. After that, this is the opening of the main method. I have to close it. This is the closure of the main method and closure of the class, like this. See, this program, I'm coding it not to show you how to add two numbers. I'm coding this program just to show you how to take the input from the user. That is what my point is. Awesome. Now, you got to know how to take the input from the user. Let me code this in my Eclipse and see how it is working. Are you ready? Buckle up and watch it now. So this is my Eclipse. Let me get it. Awesome. Next what? The two guys should be very careful. The white shirt and you, spect. I'm saying it from that time. Very, very careful. See, indiscipline is not tolerated. Mercilessly you will be thrown out of this organization, I'm telling you. This is not your engineering college and this is not your engineering professor. You guys are just mere 40. In one class, 400 students were there. I know how to tight the screw. If indiscipline is there, on that day itself, your money will be refunded and you will be thrown out. Remember this. You ask me the question, I'll answer. Indiscipline, never tolerated. Is that clear? Okay, watch it. So let me come to my program. This is my program. What I will do, all of these lines, I will remove it. And let me start from scratch. What is that, sir? System.out.println. I want one message. What is that, sir? Enter the number. Outstanding. So now looking at this, if you notice, if you save it and execute it, I'm getting it now. So now, enter the number means I have to enter one number there, 20. If I hit enter, my program should scan it. Yes. So for that, what facility is required? Scanner facility is required. Scanner is a class. What you should do? You should create an object of it. So I will tell a new. New what, sir? Scanner. So when you create an object, you should take this object and connect with whom? One pipe. What is the pipe? System.in. Very good. So now, the scanner, I will, okay, it is showing an error. Why is that error? I will tell you. Please watch it. So to this, I will tell scan. Sir, what is the scan, sir? So this scan, it is of type what? Scanner. And that is what I am telling there. Sensing this much. Very good, sir. Next what? Next what, if you ask me? Watch it. So after creating this, what you should do? Your scanner facility is ready. What you should do next? You have to take it now. If you have to take it, what you should do? Scan dot what? Next int. Awesome. And this next int, I will just take it and put it inside one variable. What type it is? Integer. Very good. Why it is automatically doing it? Anyhow, next what, sir? After this, I will tell system.out.println. What you should tell? Enter the number again. Like this I will tell. Awesome. Looking at this, you will enter one number. What you should do? You should take that input. If you have to take that input, what you should do? You should scan it. Scan.next. Next what, sir? Int you should tell, and that I have to scan it and put it inside one variable b, and what type it is? Integer, in this fashion. Very good. Next what, sir, if you ask me? Now I want to add both of them. How you will do? A I will take plus I will do with b. Whatever the result I will get and store it inside C, and what type it is you should tell. What type it is? Integer. Very good. Now I want to see what is there inside that C now. How you will do it, sir? I will tell system.out.println of C. This is my program. So I will give you 1 minute of time. I want you people to look at this code. If you have any doubts, you should ask me. 1 minute time you have. Oh, error is there, I know. I'll solve it. So leaving that, whatever I have explained, if you have any doubts, you should ask me. Good that you found an error there. Awesome. Okay. So is there any doubt? No doubt. Remember, if you want to take the input from the user, this line is compulsory. What is the meaning of this line? I have shown it to you. And after this, you go on scanning the input. That's it. Very good. So now your friend asked that, sir, it is an error, sir. And you are telling this program is right. It is not right. 100% your friend is right. Because here is an error. Now question arises, why this error I am getting? Watch it. See, you have created one program, and this program you have created in one package. Which package is that? Let me show you that package. Which package you have created this program? This is the package. What is that package? com.tapacademy.package1. That is that package. So what I will do now is, I will tell here as, this is a program what you have written. This is class, demo, inside this main method is there. Awesome. After this, you have many lines, but in one of the line, you have written it as new scanner. And for him, there is a reference scan, and what type it is if you ask me, scanner. And in this line, you have an error in this fashion. question arises, why is that? Watch it. Now, this program is present inside one package, com.tapacademy.package1. That is where your program is present in. Very good. Okay, sir, that is fine. But why is that error? Watch it. Now, you are creating a scanner object. Very good. Who will create object in Java? JVM. So what JVM will do is, okay, I should create a scanner object. If it has to create an object, it need a blueprint. It need a design. What is the design? It's a class. What it will do? JVM will go to this package 1 and find for a class. And the name of the class is scanner. It will scan it. Where is that scanner? Sir, is scanner class is present in the package 1, sir? It is not present here. Since it is not present in the package 1, that is why it is showing you an error. That scanner object, you are telling me to create an object, but scanner class, I'm not finding it in this package 1. I'm not finding it. Now you'll ask me, then where is the scanner, sir? The scanner is there in Java, but this is present in a different package, like this. Which package, sir, if you ask me? There is one package in Java. I haven't created it. I haven't created it. Then who created it, sir? James Gosling has created. And he has given one name to this package. And the name of the package is what? Java.util. See, again and again, I'm using one terminology known as package. What is the meaning of package, sir? Package means it is a folder. What it is? Folder. Means there is one folder, and inside this folder, there is one class. What is that name of the class, sir? The name of the class is scanner, which is an inbuilt class created by James Gosling and kept it. But now, whenever scanner object you are creating, where JVM will search the scanner class? Where it will search? It will search only in the package 1, because in this you have written the scanner, right? But where exactly scanner is present in? It is present here. Your JVM will not go here. It will not scan. It will scan only here. And that is why you are getting an error. Now question arises. Sir, I have to remove this error, sir. What should I do? To do this, I have to give an example for you. What is that, sir? There is one country, and that I will tell it as India. There is another country, and inside this, there is a country, and the name of the country is Java is the name of the country. Japan, very good. Maybe I will tell the name of the country as United States of America. In this United States of America, there is a very famous bike is there. Harley Davidson. Now Harley Davidson, you want it to your country now. Because you are there here in India, you want to use that Harley Davidson, which is there in USA. What you will do? Very good. So first what you will do is, you will go to USA first. First you should go there, right? Yes or no? Now you will enter inside the USA. Entering, I will tell it as a dot. Inside this USA, there is one bike. Which bike is that? Harley Davidson bike is there. Harley Davidson bike is there. This Harley Davidson bike, you want to take it to your country now. Think and tell me, whenever you take inside the country, will you tell import or export? Import you will tell. And that is what I will tell. I will go to USA, Inside USA there is Harley Davidson. Let me import it, and that is what I'm going to do. I will import it. As simple as that. Let me give another example for you. There is one country. Which country is that, sir? India. There is another country. Which country is this, sir? Maybe. Oh. So this country, I will call it as Italy. In Italy, there is one car manufacturing company. What is that, sir? Lamborghini. I'll simply tell Lamborghini. Very good. Now, you want to get this Lamborghini to India now. How will you get Lamborghini to India? First you should go to Italy, right? Let me go to Italy now. How you will do it? This is how I will do it. Let me go to Italy. Let me enter inside the Italy. How you will do? Dot. So there is one car. Which car? Lambo. I will take this and import it to my country, and that you should tell it in this way. Whatever I have done here, the same thing I should do it programmatically also. What is that, sir? This is a place where you are present in, but the scanner is present in a different folder or a different country. Now, you want the scanner. If you want the scanner, first you should reach where the scanner is present in. Where the scanner is present in? Java.util. Outstanding. Now, I will tell Java.util, where you will tell, sir, just a minute, there is no space. Let me make some space now. Awesome. So much space now. Watch it. First, I have to enter to which folder? Java.util. Very good. Now, let me get inside this country now. How you will do? Dot you will tell. What product you want? Scanner. Very good. So dot scanner. And what you're doing? You're taking it and putting it in your folder. Yes or no? What you should do? You should import it. And this statement, you should tell it in your program. Then only it will work. Really, sir? Watch it. So now let me get my Eclipse. Here is my Eclipse. Very good. I will come here at the top. Now some students will ask me, sir, where should I tell that import? Above this, above main method. Where? Above this class you should tell. But behind, below this package. Above class, below package. Above class is here, below package means here only, right? So there, in the line number 3, I will tell it. How you will tell it, sir? I will tell import, all should be small. Space you should tell. You should go to one folder. Which folder? Java.util. Inside this, there is one class. Which class? Scanner. You have to import it. As simple as that. When you do that, immediately that error is gone. Very good. So let me see what output I will get now. If in case I save it and execute it, enter the number. So number, I will give it as 20 like this. If in case I hit enter, this 20, this person will scan it. Where will store it in? Inside A. Very good. After storing inside A, immediately he will display this message now. What is that message? Enter the number again. Watch it. If in case I hit enter like this, enter the number again. Now, I will tell it as 10. If I hit enter, this 10 will be scanned by whom? This fellow. So he should scan. Where he should put it in? Inside B. Very good. After this, he will come to the next statement. What is A? 20. What is B? 10. Add both of them. 30. Whatever the result I will get, where I should store it in? C. So this C is having what value? 30. You should come here and 100% 30 you are printing. Really all of this will happen, sir? Let me see. If in case I hit enter like this, 30 is what you are getting. Got this? So this is how you should use this scanner, and this is how you should take the input from the user. Very good. With this information, let me go back to my array now. What we will do, sir? What I want to do is, I want to create an array to store the ages of the same 5 students, but the ages, the programmer should not hard code it. Hard coding means programmer itself is giving the value. That is hard coding. I don't want to do hard coding. Instead, I have to take the input from the user. Question arises, how you will achieve it? Watch it. First, I need an array now. This is an array. I need an array. Very good. So 5 student means I need 5 locations. Let me redo this. So this is an array. Outstanding. 5 students means 5 locations I need. 3, 4, 5. And all of these locations are having the numbers known as indexes. So for this, I have to give the reference ARR. Initially, 0 is there, you should assume. Whatever I'm showing it to you here, the same thing I have to do it programmatically. I have to create an array. What are arrays in Java? Objects. Who will create object? JVM. You should tell new. What you're storing? Ages. So ages means what you should tell? You should tell integer. So how many locations you want? 5. 5 you should tell, put a semicolon. So for this array object, if you have to use him, you have to give one handle. Let me give one handle for him. What is that? It is ARR. So let me give it. This is how I will give it. And this ARR is referring to what? Look at him. This ARR is referring to, who is he? He is an array who is going to store an integer. And that I should tell it there. This ARR is going to store an array, and 100% an array which is storing integers like this. When that line executes, this is how it looks like. Very good. Now, my students are ready now. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, I have to give the age now. That age, where you should take it from? You should take it from the user. If I have to enter the age from the user, you should use one facility. Which facility? Scanner facility. That scanner facility, already I will keep it ready after this. I'll keep it ready. How is that, sir? Watch it. After this line number 9, if I have to take the input from the user, 100%, you should create an object. Object of whom? Scanner. After that, system.in you should tell. Okay. So for this, I will give a reference there. What is the reference? Scan. And what type it is, you should tell. What type it is? Scanner. Outstanding. So you can notice there, immediately your Eclipse is only importing it. Got this? Awesome. Now your scanner is ready. What you should do? Now your program is ready to take the input from the user. It is ready now. What you will do, sir? Now, on my output screen, I want to print something. What do you want to print, sir? I want to print enter the age. That I want to print. If I have to get this on my output screen, what you should do? So system.out.println, within double quotes, I will tell it as enter the age. When this line executes, this is what I will get. Now looking at this enter the age, you should give the age, right? Maybe I will give the age as 21. 21 I will hit enter. What your program should do? Program should scan this 21. To scan it, which should be ready? Scanner should be ready. Scanner is already ready. Very good. Let me take the input now. How you will do it? After this line, I will tell scan dot. What is 21? Integer. Means you should tell next. Next what, sir? Int. Like this. Means whatever 21 my program is scanning, where he should put it in? He should put this 21, which is the age, to this first student, right? Yes or no? Who is that first student? 0. If I have to access this 0, you have to reach an array. How will reach an array? ARR. Means you should tell ARR. Means you will reach here. Of 0 you should tell. Means whatever this 21 I am scanning, I will take him. I will take him. And where you want to put, sir? I want to put it inside. The first student is ARR of 0. Got this? Any doubt in this? No doubt. Very good. So now, where is this, my dear students? So 21 will go. Where it will sit it in? ARR of 0. ARR, come here, of 0. What will come and sit here? 21. Very good. 21 will come and sit here. The same way I have to do in the next iteration. What is that? Again, I want enter the age. This is what I want. If I want enter the age, again, what you should do? Again, you should print it, right? So how you will do it, sir? System.out.println within double quotes. I will tell it as enter the age. Awesome. When this line executes, this is what I will get. So after this, looking at it, you will enter the age, and that age I will tell it as 22. If I hit enter, what my program should do? It should scan it. You should create scanner object once again. No, scanner object already ready. You should just use him, right? How you will use him, sir? Watch it. Now I will hit enter. I will tell scan dot. Dot what, sir? Next. Next what? Int. Like this. I will scan it. And this 22, where you should put it in? You should put this to the second student. Where is second student? Second student is here. What is the number for him? It is the 1. I want to access him. How will access him? ARR of 1 equal to this 22 you should give. And that is what I will tell there. And I will scan this 22 and put it inside one person. Who is that? ARR of 1. Like this. Got this? Amazing. Now, in the same way, I have to do it for the third student, fourth student, and the fifth student. In the same way I should do. Now, how you will do? Enter the age. Once again, I should get it. How is that, sir? Watch it. Now, I should get it as enter the age. This I want it now. If I want this, very simple it is. I will hit enter. Very good. So I will hit enter. I will come here and I will tell it as system.out.println within double quotes. I will tell it as enter the age. He will come. Now I want to enter the age now as 23. What your program should do? It should take it. How it will take it? It should scan it. Scan dot. Scan dot what, sir? Next int. Outstanding. So whatever the result I am getting, that is 23. I have to store it somewhere. Where I should store it in? In the third student. Third student means what you should do? ARR of 2. And that is what I will do here. I will take ARR of 2 in this fashion. So now 23 will go and sit there. 100% yes. This 22 is also present here and 23 is also present here. In the same way, I have to continue. How you will do it, sir? Hit enter. System.out.println. What you should tell? Enter the age. Why is that, sir? Because I have to insert an age to this fellow, right? Enter the age, I will tell. Looking at this, you will enter. What you should do? You should scan it. How you will scan it? Scan, dot. Scan dot what? Next. Next what? Int. Like this you should tell. So you should scan it, and where you should put it in? You should put it inside this location. This location means what? 3. How will you get this 3? Very good. ARR of 3. Like this you should tell. When you do that, 100%, 24 will definitely come and sit here. Now the same thing I want to do it for last student also. What you will do, sir? I will tell system.out.println within double quotes, I will tell it as enter the age. So looking at this, you will enter 25. What you should do? You should scan it. How you will scan it? Scan dot. Scan dot what? Next int. I will scan it and put it inside one student. Which student is that? This student. Means how you will tell it? Very good. You should tell it as ARR of 4 in this fashion. When you do this, all of these ages, what you did is you have stored it inside an array. See here. And now I'm asking you, have you hard coded it in your program? No. Then what you did? You took it from the user. This is how you should create an array. Very good. Now you'll ask me, sir, you'll tell, we should listen. Give us the proof first. If you want the proof, what you should do? You should print it. You should print this entire array. Now, how you will print it, sir? Let me show you. What I will do, before printing, I will tell one message. Which message is that, sir? Within double quotes, I will tell it as the ages of students are, like this one message I will tell. And after that, all the ages should get displayed. I repeat this again. Before I get all of these ages, I need one statement. What statement? The ages of students are. After this, I want all the ages of the students. How you will get it, sir? Watch it. After this, I will tell system.out.println. I want to see the age of this first student. How you will see? ARR of 0. 21. You want to print it now? How you will do it there? You will tell ARR of 0 like this. Outstanding. Next what? I will come here, hit enter, system.out.println. I want to see him. I want to print this 22. How you will do? ARR of 1 like this. You will print it. I want to do him, him and him in the same way. How you will do it, sir? System.out.println, I will tell it as the ARR of 2. Outstanding. In the same way, I will tell it as system.out.println, I will tell it as the ARR of 3. Outstanding. Now, I want to see what is there. In the 5th student, I have to print it ARR of 4. Is there any doubt in this? No doubt. Now, if in case I save it and execute it, let me see what output I will get. If in case I execute it, you can notice enter the age you are getting. Let me enter it as 21. When I hit enter, 21 will definitely come and sit here. Let me see. If I hit enter, 21 is coming and sitting here. It is asking for the age for the next student. Now let me give it as 22. If I hit enter, 22 will come and sit here. It is asking for the next age. You give me that age. Let me give the 23. If I hit enter, 23 is coming and sitting here, and it is asking, you please give me the age of the 4th student. Now enter the age 24. I will hit enter. 24 will come and sit here. Now it is asking for enter the age of the 5th student. Enter the age 25. If I hit enter, will it ask enter the age again? No. Directly what it will do? The ages are, and all of these ages are getting printed. Really, sir, if I hit enter, this is what you are getting. The ages of students are all these ages. Got this, my dear students? Yes or no? Is there any doubt in this? No doubt. Awesome. Now, let me proceed further. And What you should do is, you should write a program now. And this is my expectation. What is that? There are 5 citizens are there, citizens of India. And you should store the marriage status of all these 5 citizens. What is that? Marriage status. Sir, how is that, sir, if you ask me? If he is married or she is married, he should enter 1. If he did not married, he should enter what? 0. 1 and 0, you should create it inside an array. Got this, what I am trying to tell? Yes or no? Let me repeat this once again. What is the expectation? The expectation is, you have to store the marriage status of 5 citizens. Marriage status. And this marriage status, where you should put it in? Inside an array. Now you should ask the first citizen, are you married? If he is married, he will tell 1. If he is not married, he will tell 0. And that status, you should take it and store it inside the array. Like this, enter the marriage status. You are asking to the citizen. He is not married. What you will do? He will enter 0. That 0, you should take it and store it inside an array. So like that, for 5 citizens you should do. Getting this much? All of you, write a program for that. Let me see how many of you can do it. If you did not understood the question, please let me know. In this sense, I did not understood. No. No. All of you got the question? All of you? Anyone did not got the question, raise your hand. You did not got. See, what I did now? I have stored the age. Now, you have to store the marriage status of 5 citizens. Got it? How you should do? On my screen, I should get it as enter the marriage status. First citizen will tell 1 because he is married. That 1, you should take it and put it inside an array. Again, enter the marriage status. She is not married. 0 she will tell. That 0 you should take it, put it inside an array. Like this for 5 citizens you should do. Got this at least now? You did not got. Did not got again. I don't know how to explain this. What I did now, what I did. You understood this program? What I did? 5 ages. The same thing, 5 marriage status you should store. What I did now? 5 ages I have stored. 5 marriage status you should store. ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡೇನಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಸಾಕು. ಒನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಟ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಂದೆ ರೀ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ 1, ನಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ 0. ಟ್ರೂ ಮತ್ತು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅರೇ ಹಂಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ. You should tell us new boolean you should tell, because boolean values you are storing, right? Got it? ಏನಾದ್ರಿ? See, 1 ಮತ್ತು 0 is an integer. ಸೊ ಟ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ ನೀವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ರೀ 1 and 0 ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. You should display. You have done? Awesome. Good. What's your name? Guru? Gurunath. Which branch? Guru Raj. Which branch? Enter the marriage status. You scan it. See, you should not tell. See how I have stored it. Int you should not tell. You should just tell a of 0, a of 1. But you have given int there. Int you should not tell. Like this you should do it for all the people. 5. Where is the size? Sys.in, system.in. Enter the marriage status 0, 1, 2, 3. What is this? 4. Awesome. Good. Okay, good. Awesome. Anyone did not understood the question? All of you understood? You have written? Where is main method? You have written the code? Good. You have also written? Awesome. You have written the code? Still writing? Good. Very good. Awesome. Good. See, see, this is not an efficient way of coding. You're going to see the same lines you are repeating again and again. You did it. Please sit. Please sit. There are 5 students are there. You have coded this many lines. There are 400 students are there. What you will do? You'll go on writing enter the age, 1,000 lines it will become. That is why you have to use here loops. How to convert him to a for loop, I will tell you. You written the code? Good. Awesome. Awesome. Very good. Okay. Good. Awesome. You've written the code? Good. Awesome. Okay, great. So now question arises, yes, most of you have coded it right way. Awesome. Now, I want to store the ages of not 5 students, of 100 students I want to do. I want to store the ages of 100 students because that is why your arrays are there, right? Why you have arrays? Arrays are there to store a huge volume of data. I am taking the huge volume as 100 and all these ages of 100 students I want to store. How you will code it? Enter the age, scan it. Enter the age, scan. Enter the age, scan, scan, scan. For how many things you will do? If I have to show it to you here, just to store 5 student ages, how many lines you have coded here? Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just to store 5 students ages, 10 instructions. For 100 students, what you will do? If you do the same thing, so how many instructions are there? 200 instructions are there. That is not the right way to code it. Then what should I do, sir? If you want to know, you have to attend my Monday's class. So Monday, I will tell you how to convert this code and code it efficiently. Whether you store 5 student age or 500 student age, the program will work efficiently. Sir, how to do it, sir? Monday's class. Thank you so much. Happy coding and happy weekend.